Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete or change emo caller tune or ringtone. So feel free to try to install this app emo caller ID or emo caller in Play Store. After that you can register your phone number and you can open this app and go to the settings. You can tap on your profile and go to the settings and tap on notifications. Here we go, and tap on calls or communication options. And here you can adjust your notification method. So you can turn off vibration if there's a call, or you can turn on by default. And this one is ringtone. You can use a phone ringtone, or use a default ringtone here, or you can choose a from your files of your phone, or even you can use video sound. So you can tap and choose the video from your device. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.